Hello, welcome to Campbell River. We're at Brewster Lake, and this weekend Sherry and I are celebrating our 1-year wedding anniversary. Sherry's currently checking out the latrines, seeing where they are, because we're at an actual campsite today. So we got to use their toilets, which is fine. I don't mind that. Just setting up to have a calm, quiet, peaceful weekend.
Yeah, I don't like it. Barking. Bark talking.
Okay, check this out. I don't know if I showed this off yet. I might have in the previous video. But I got this pretty cool table for pretty cheap on Amazon. Thank you, Mr. Bezos. And it's a fold-up table.
Jeffrey Bezos.
Jeffrey Bezos.
I said Bezos.
Bezos. As you can see, when it folds up, it is very small. Perfect for the Jeep. I don't know what the dimensions are. I do not remember, but check this out. Locks in place, and then seems really short, right?
Just wait.
Check this out. Secret feeds. Ta-da! Then you got yourself a drinking table for drinking on. Putting your drinks on. And then, ta-da! Check this out. Nice little table action. And I got a second table. So we got tables galore. Alright, that was step 1, setting everything up. Here's step 2.
Me.
Whoa!
Here's step 2.
Sure has a non-liquid step 2, if you know what I mean.
You want the crack?
So of course we have a full-on fire ban happening to get a feel for to get a little cute, what am I saying? To get a little feel for camping, we've got a little citronella candle in the fire pit. No real fire, just a little candle. Keeps the bugs away. Just chilling, having some snacks and drinking and listening to some Bo Burnham. Forgot to say, cheers everybody. Hug your loved ones. And, oh, sweetheart. Here's to another, year. So there's something wrong with our barbecue. It just won't light for some reason. It's like fire's going into the propane canister instead of where it's supposed to go. If anyone knows how to fix that, let me know. I don't know what happened to it. Nothing's changed. We've had it for a while and it's worked every time until today, so kind of confused, but it's fine. We have backup, we have a stove. So I'm just gonna cook up some patties because I'm hungry. Okay, so we're gonna cook, well, I'm gonna cook burger patties, but use hot dog buns. Okay, while my patties are cooking, I'd like to try this survival bar. This is apple cinnamon, 5-year shelf life. It says a 1-day survival bar, and it is like a brick. Ooh, I just broke it, but it is a brick. I've been curious about these for a while. We have lots more. Obviously, it's a survival brick. No way. It says, okay, let's read what it says. Sorry, I opened it, I was so excited. It says, non-thirst provoking, high in all recommended vitamins, withstands temperatures of -22 Fahrenheit to 149, minus 149 Fahrenheit, absolutely no cholesterol or tropical oils, contains 6 200-calorie Mayday food bars, providing a total of 1,200 calories. So I'm not gonna eat the whole thing, obviously, but when you look inside, well, let's take the whole thing out, because this is fascinating to me. Look at this. That's what a chunk of it looks like. Sherry's asking what's 1 bar size.
Like 1 meal.
And there it is. You can see there's perforations. Oh. It's just like a, oh, it actually smells really good. It smells like a Nutri-Grain granola bars. This could save someone's life, actually, if it's that truly that nutrient dense. Let's take a bite of this little triangle. Okay. It's kind of like a cookie, I guess. It definitely smells a lot better than it tastes. It's kind of flavorless. It's kind of like how vanilla is. Really fragrant, but if you were to take a teaspoon of vanilla, it would taste like nothing. Almost tastes bad. This smells crazy good. And I think the smell is kind of influencing my opinion on its flavor. I'm so confused right now. It says it's not thirst provoking. I'm not thirsty so far, but it's so chalky. It seems so chalky, but I don't feel like instantly thirsty like I ate crackers. Honestly, not bad. I could definitely eat this to survive my life. Anyway, that's the survival bar. I'll give it like a 7 out of 10. Not for flavor, but for the fact that it'll save my life. Okay, it's time to dress my dogs in patties. I mean, what am I saying? Or patties in buns, hot dog buns. I'm gonna fold them a bit. Maybe I won't because I can't. Open face sandwich? I don't know. Let's just try to chop it like this. Then we can have a nice flatness. I love these burger patties. They're actually from Walmart and they're really good. They're very moist and they actually have good flavor. Obviously I put some seasoning salt on them, but even without it, it's not too bad. And Sherry did her specialty again, where she combined her condiments in one container. And I can just scoop out the side I want. A little ketchup, a little mustard. I think there's relish in here, but I really can't tell.
No, I got relish.
No relish, that's fine. Didn't want relish in this. There it is, there's my weird little lunch. It's like 3 o'clock right now. Burger dog, incoming. Mmm, that's really good. Okay, I'm still shirtless because I'm trying to fix this horrible tan. But the grill sounds like it's kind of working. I was able to, I don't know if you can see there's a flame, but it's really inconsistent. What I did was I taped up that hole. If someone tells me later that that's a horrible idea, well, it's working, so horrible idea in my butt. But at one point when I lit it, I could see the fire was actually in here, which obviously is a terrible idea, until I taped it. Now that scared me, I thought this was this. Now the gas is in here properly, but it's very sputtery, as you can see. But it's getting hot. So, I mean, again, we have our pan for backup. We're gonna try to cook the corn in this horrible, terrible, weak fire, but we can still use that for the steaks. So that's kind of the plan right now. Okay, so our sister-in-law always says she just throws the corn in straight up like that. So we're gonna try that today with this very weak fire. It is getting hotter, right?
Yeah, right?
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 I don't know.
I want 2 layers.
Yeah, you're going really crazy on it.
Oh, okay. Chop that frick off. Okay.
Nice.
Ugh.
Wait, what?
I didn't want to touch it anymore. It felt like real hair.
Corn hairs. Shocked.
There's one.
Shucked and zucked. Next. Okay. This is fresh corn from Sherry's parents' backyard, right?
Nope.
Where's it from? Oh, dude, from her parents' Quality Foods near their backyard. Okay, this is hot. Let's get that bad boy in there. I guess that's it. The fire is still struggling away. Alright, good night, corn. You're shucking corn, but the corn shucks back. Okay, because I really don't trust this grill to cook my meat properly, we are going to... There we go. There we go. Boom! Instant fire. Not disappointed by that. And we're going to cook the steaks in here.
Ooh, what the heck? They got buttons now?
What the hell?
Anybody seen this before? Crazy button. But I'm standing back here. I'll zoom in instead and stand far away. More. You only did one.
Did both.
More on the second one. Oh?
Happy anniversary.
Oh no, it's like a milk,
Milk.
I think.
I like milk.
Milk.
The power of the tooth.
Someone's touching me.
Bugs. Sure hope not. Whoa!
Woo!
Happy anniversary, darling.
Happy anniversary, darling.
Darling, happy anniversary.
I want to play.
Yeah, try it. I bet it screws on and then you press it. No, I bet you press it and then it'll close. Like while you're holding it, it probably lets you close it.
Oh, we'll play with that later.
Okay.
That's cool though.
Well, that'll take a few hours to cook. Steak will take 10 minutes. Whoa, that's a good cluster. Good amount of fat. That looks awesome. Okay, the steaks have rested a little bit. They look pretty good. And these are the cheapest steaks that you could possibly get. It was like $10 for 2 pieces, so.
Just going right in, hey?
It's really good.
Yeah?
Nice chunky fat. You might not like that part, but I like this.
That looks
I
like
ate all the
fat on
fat
that
off this
side.
time. That's your tendon. Happy anniversary. Just taking turns eating the steak. Steak outside is just so delicious. That's it. If you get a chance, go eat a steak outside. It's yummy. Okay, we've decided after dinner now we're waiting for our corn dessert to still cook because it's just taking forever. Okay, we're gonna play a game that we just invented. It's called rock, paper, scissors, shot for shot.
I don't like it.
And because we have this bottle of champagne, which we don't like. I think it's good, but we just don't like it. So we're gonna play rock, paper, scissors, shot for shot. John, Cam, pull. Ah, shoot.
Go fit in.
Big swigs only. Ugh. It tastes like weird beer, this champagne. It's yellowtail, if in case anyone's wondering. Nah, pirate, scissors. What if you lose? Good one. I don't hate it. It's just not my favorite drink I've ever had, that's for sure.
It's good in like the amount of like a champagne flute.
Yes.
But we're drinking
it
like,
out of a mug.
differently.
Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Shoot, knew my weakness was rock. Oh, it really tastes more and more like a bad
it just
beer.
gets worse and worse.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, shoot, big brain me.
Canna's getting drunk tonight. Canna's getting drunk tonight.
Especially with the chocolate in my mouth.
Makes it help.
It would get worse. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Malteser shot. Malteser shot. Malteser shot. Oh, let's go. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. I don't want to play anymore. Okay, so that corn turned out really well, actually. I am currently munching it with no salt, no butter, no nothing. It's really good. The barbecue did die, so I don't know. I guess it's like dead. Dead. But anyway, did a good job. Like an hour and a half later. Corn is good. Sweet, tasty. I like it. It's cold. Pretty good, right? morning. It is like 8 in the morning, probably not even 8 yet. But in the spirit of tradition, since we are celebrating an annual tradition, which is our anniversary, it's time for a morning camping Caesar. Sherry does not want to partake, but I know what it's like to actually camp like a real hero. Like my hero, Justin. So, cheers, guys. If you're having a morning Caesar with me, let me know in the comments. Clink! Morning Caesar. Ooh, spicy.
Is it good?
That goes down easy. Almost done. It's easy to drink these fast because they're not carbonated, like iced teas. Well, pretty much packed up. Battery's about to die. We're gonna go home. Happy anniversary to my sweet, beautiful wife, Sherry. And we'll watch this next year and be another year we'll have. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what your favorite morning camping beverage is if you're a camper. Is it coffee, tea, clamato? Tell me. Bye.